Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features. Features also include keyless ignition, heads-up display, ventilated seats. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2017 Yukon. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, heads-up display, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.